In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the spell check feature in Canva. This is a handy tool for ensuring your designs have polished and professional text, free from any spelling errors. Let's get started by diving into these simple steps. First, you'll want to open up your design in Canva, where you suspect there might be spelling mistakes. Select the text area that you'd like to check by holding down your right mouse button and dragging over the text. You'll notice that highlighting the words you want to focus on is crucial, as this lets Canva know which part of your design you're interested in correcting. A small tip here: be sure you select all the text thoroughly to avoid missing any errors in the section you're reviewing. Once your text is selected, move your cursor over to the toolbar at the top of the Canva window and look for the magic right icon. This icon is essential as it opens up a variety of text editing tools within Canva. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on it. Clicking this icon initiates the spell check process and readies Canva to identify any spelling mishaps within your selected text area. The next step is to click on Fix Spelling. By doing this, you'll prompt Canva to automatically scan through the selected text and identify any spelling errors. It's a straightforward step where Canva does most of the work for you, so feel free to sit back and watch as the potential spelling mistakes are highlighted. Canva will suggest corrections based on its spell check database, ensuring that any commonly confused or misspelled words are flagged for your review. Now that Canva has pinpointed the errors, it provides you with suggestions for correction. You'll see these suggestions pop up as options right below the misspelled words. Click on Replace to confirm the changes. Canva seamlessly substitutes the incorrect words with the correct ones from the suggestions, leaving your design with perfectly spelled text. Remember, while Canva does a great job, it's always good practice to double check these corrections, especially if you're using specialized terminology or proper nouns that might not be in Canva's spell check dictionary. And there you go, just a few simple clicks and you can ensure your Canva design is proofread and error-free. Using this spell check tool not only saves time but also enhances the professionalism of your designs. Keep practicing with this tool and it will become second nature. Thank you for watching and happy designing.